Don't be recording me.
I'm not. I'm recording him. What's wrong, Jordan? He's like, no. No, no. Oh my God.
No.
Joshua, come here. Why do you want to get that? Why are you scared? It's just a monkey. Look, he's got teeth just like you.
He's really intelligent. He's following everything I'm doing.
See the poo on the wall?
Where? Are you scared of it?
Here.
A moment.
Scratch in his eye.
Get back in your seat.
Sit right there for a minute while Mommy and Auntie Brandy play.
He's looking at your butt.
He's like, whatever.
Monkey!
Come look at the monkey.
Why not? He's not doing it anymore. Did you get it for a minute, all of him doing that?
Yeah.